Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Antonika James. I am the community liaison for the Connect program at Housing Works Community Healthcare. So we have a clinic on 125th Street and Lexington Avenue. We provide primary care, we provide harm reduction, and we also provide mental health services. I am part of a new behavioral health program that is in collaboration with the COAD, because again, after all of these things happen, how is your mental health? How are you feeling after that? How do you decompress after there's a disaster or a crisis? And so we want to be able to engage in those kinds of questions and discussions with community members and let them know that there are services and folks that are available for you to reach out to. So Connect is a new program, like I said, and we offer free therapy and case management services to all adults in Harlem. So that's East, Central, and West Harlem, all of Harlem, free of charge. You do not need to have medical insurance. And the uniqueness of our program is that we come to you. So you can have a therapy session at home. You can have a therapy session at Starbucks, in the park. And no one actually has to know that you're in therapy if you don't want them to know. And so we're trying to be able to also break down the stigma of what mental health looks like, because as we're talking about emergencies and different catastrophes, crises, those things happen to everybody. So we all may need a therapist at some point in our lives. You dealt with a loss, you dealt with some grief. We all dealt with COVID. So there's some anxiety about possibly getting on the subway. There might be some nervousness about, encountering a lot of people and being in a room with a lot of folks, unlike the way it was before COVID. So we have this service. We offer these services for free. We also have case managers who also can help folks to apply for public benefits and other supportive services that they might need. And again, they come directly to your home to help you do that. And then I'm part of the community engagement team. And so we go out and do presentations to different locations as events like these, but we also go to tenant association meetings, we go to community board meetings, we also collaborate with other community partners, and we host different events to have conversations around mental health. So we offer vision board parties where we have discussions about your dreams, your goals, what are some of the things that you want to see for yourself and your communities in the future. And we also do other self-care workshops where we talk about how do you take care of yourself, and are you even thinking about taking care of yourself a little bit more, because you can't take care of somebody else if you're not taking care of yourself first. So we just want to make sure that people have these services, that you're aware of them, and that if you need our services, we're in the back sharing the table with Miss Carol at the COAD, and we have different flyers here that give all the information with our contact information and any services that anyone might need. So thank you.
Okay, thank you for that very important information.